Hey there, welcome to Comparative Education. I am Dr. Vigna, your tutor for this course. In this course, we will journey across the globe to unravel the complexities and various practices of diverse education systems. Ever wondered why Finland excels in education or political infusion in curriculum? From Malaysia to Indonesia, from Tokyo to Beijing, we will explore how countries shape young minds uniquely through curriculum and education systems. There are global insights to discover. Mastery of this course gives you added advantage as a master's scholar student, giving you the knowledge and skills to discuss multiple topics in the field. Who knows, you might even be interested to continue with our Doctorate of Education program after completing your MED program. So grab your virtual passport for this academic journey. Stay tuned and stay curious. Ciao for now.